They already have full in here. My other allergy don't have anything yet. Oh, that is so. What is that already? Hello, full. I have to get this one. I'm gonna get this. Oh, they already have fabric. Happy harvest. Hello, fall. Okay, hold on, I can get that. Oh, I like the dog. The corn. This is so cute. Oh, they have this. I think I already have this from last year, but I need to get it because probably donated. Have this one. Oh. No, maybe added some beads. That will be pretty. Beads. Not all of it, but now we need to get some fabric. They have these. Or sunflower. I think this. On that. Okay. I'll have to do this one. Oh, look at these. That is so cute. Make your own haunted house. $150. Count down to the spookiest day of the year. Oh, a sticker countdown. Are they all the same? They're the same. Oh, those are back. The one you put in the red. Paper craft. Fall. I like to see fall. I see the new ones. The new one. Oh, there's I think there's the new one fall. I like that one. Hello, fall. Oh, those are new. Oh, oh, look at this. I think this is new. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That one. Pretty. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my. And then put a pumpkin in there. Or the small pumpkin. Kind of day. Pumpkin spice is calling. I think maybe this. No. This is new also. Here with beads. That is thankful. Look, it's so cute. They're $150. And the mushroom, thankful. To get gathered together. Hello, pumpkin. Okay, how much? Thanks. not. Stay cozy. Okay. So what is this? Oh, the tray. Halloween backlight. What is the other battery? Oh Lord. LED light. Oh, boo. Switch. And how much? Oh, they're $5. Harvest. First day of school is back. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Oh, because it's heavy. Okay, wait. This. So I tote bananas. Oh, it's only banana. It's only banana. Oh, look, everyday luscious. Glue included. Reusable. Look at that. How much is 150, 125? That is so cute. It's $7. They also have